If you've ever forgotten your Gmail password and wondered whether there's a way to view it, this tutorial will walk you through the safest method to check a saved Gmail password on your own device. Now, it's important to know that you cannot just reveal any Gmail password anywhere unless it has already been saved in your browser or password manager. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a saved Gmail login inside Chrome Password Manager and view it securely on a device you already trust. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. For this tutorial, we're using Google Chrome because it has a built-in password manager that can store login details for websites and accounts you've signed into before. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps its main settings and tools. From the menu, hover over or select Passwords and Autofill. In some versions, you may see this as part of your Chrome settings. Then click Google Password Manager. This opens the Password Manager where Chrome stores saved usernames and passwords for different accounts. Now that you're inside Google Password Manager, use the search bar at the top and type Gmail or Google. This helps narrow down the saved logins so you can quickly find the account you need. If you have multiple Google accounts saved, make sure you choose the correct one that matches the Gmail password you want to view. Next, click the saved Google account from the list. You should see the account details, including the website, the username, and a hidden password field. To reveal the password, click the eye icon beside the password box. Depending on your device, Chrome may ask you to confirm your identity first using your device password, PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. This extra step is there to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you complete the verification step, the saved Gmail password will be displayed on the screen. You can now view it and use it if you need to sign in on another trusted device. If needed, you can also copy it, but be careful where you paste it and make sure you're on a secure device before doing that. If you don't see your Gmail account in the password manager, that usually means the password was never saved in Chrome, or you may be signed into a different browser profile. In that case, double check that you're using the correct Chrome profile and make sure you were previously saving passwords in the browser. If the password still isn't there, you may need to use Google's password recovery process instead. Also, if you're using a shared or public computer, I strongly recommend not viewing or saving passwords there. Always do this on a device you trust and make sure no one else can access your browser session. For better security, it's a good idea to use Chrome's password manager only on personal devices and keep your Google account protected with two-step verification. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Passwords and Autofill, select Google Password Manager, search for Gmail or Google, choose the saved account, and click the eye icon to reveal the password after verification. That's the quickest way to view a saved Gmail password on your own device. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.